Hi there, Amit here for Advice Media, and what we have here is the LG G2, the most anticipated smartphone of this year because of some unique features and the Snapdragon 800 processor. Even though we had some Note 3 and few other smartphones launched this week, but this is pretty interesting because of the form factor and the design. This comes with a 5.2 inches IPS display, which is a HD display, and comes with a Snapdragon 800 processor with a quad-core 2.23 GHz. It comes in two variants, at 16GB and 32GB, and this is the 16GB variant with us. As you can see, it comes with a 13 megapixel full HD OIS feature and a 3000 mAh battery capacity, which is actually optimized to give you around 1.5 days of backup. So the phone doesn't have any buttons on the left or the right. On the left you actually have the same ejector or the same slot, and on the back you have the camera with the volume rockers and the on off switch. On the bottom you have the 3.5mm headset jack and the micro USB cable slot with the speakers. Apart from that, when you check out the package, you have the Quad Beat 2 headphones, that's the headset, with a few earplugs, which also look pretty cool, and they seem to be of pretty good quality, and these are again the tangle free edition. Here's the LG travel adapter, which is the branded adapter, which comes with a 1.2 amps of output. Here's the micro USB cable, and this is the phone. As I shown earlier, it doesn't come with any physical buttons, and there are no buttons on the left or on the right, only because of the new form factor wherein the buttons are actually placed on the back. And we will be talking more about this in the coming series on this channel, and we will be also showing you more features of this smartphone and also compared with the Moto X and the Samsung Galaxy S4. So stay tuned on Advice Media for more videos like these. Do like this video if you appreciate our efforts, and let us know in the comment section if you have any queries around the LG G2. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to Advice Media for more.